बहुत जैम पैक सेशन रहा है, जानवी ने बहुत फन किया है, एंड आई एम हियर टू बोर यू अ लिटिल बिट with more technical stuff, with more technical knowledge, and patents, of course, back to patents. So first, so just to set the context right, how many of you all are researchers or teachers, and how many of you all are students? Do we have any researchers here? Okay, hello ma'am. So as a researchers, you do the hard work, you use your brain, you start developing something, you do the real work, and you publish it, right? While publishing is important, filing a patent will actually give you your legal rights, which will help you to collaboration, it will help you for getting the businesses, and of course, to give you the money, well-deserved money for your research. So you know now you have a idea, you have a brilliant idea, you know you want to have a patent for it. But how to file a patent? Nobody knows how to actually file a patent. Before me coming into domain, I didn't know कि patent file कैसे करना है. Patent लेना है सबको पता है, कैसे file करना है पता नहीं है. First, who can file a patent? 3 people. There are inventors, there are assignees, and there are legal representatives. जो आपने question पूछा था जानवी को, to explain a little bit of, yes ma'am. If you want, yeah, I can ask sir. Yeah, I'll be. Okay, yeah. So, 3 people. First, the true and the first inventor. Inventors क्या होते हैं basically? Brain होते हैं जो actually में काम करते हैं. They are the people who actually develop the invention. They can file a patent. Second is the assignee. A assignee is someone who has the legal right of that patent. Inventors को legal right है? नहीं है. Legal rights are with assignees. Who are these assignees? An inventor can be your assignee, but the majority of the time, if you're working for an institute, if you're working for a college, a business, where you use their equipments, their resources and develop something, and depending your IP policy, majority of the time, colleges, institute, government organizations, they will be the assignees. ये select कर दोगे? कहाँ पे नीचे? हाँ, I think would, हाँ. And the legal representatives, of course, all of us, all the patent agent, we actually can help you with the registration. Now, हो गया पता है किसको फाइल करना है, अब कहाँ फाइल करना है? We have 4 jurisdictions, 4 branches of patent offices, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. But you cannot randomly select कि ठीक है मैं मुंबई से हूँ but मुझे दिल्ली फाइल करना है because दिल्ली ऑफिस से फटाक से पेटेंट आ जाता है. No, you cannot do that. This jurisdiction actually patent office chooses for you depending upon what? Depending upon the address of the first applicant, depending upon where the invention actually developed, or if someone is like filing from outside of India, depending upon their service address in India, you can file, the jurisdiction gets selected. Now, how to file a patent? ये सारे फॉर्म्स हैं, ऑफ कोर्स मतलब पासपोर्ट ऑफिस में जाते हो तो पासपोर्ट ऑफिस के फॉर्म्स हैं, आईपीओ जाते हो तो आईपीओ के फॉर्म्स हैं. फॉर्म 1 is actually your application for filing a patent. Form 2 is where you actually draft the complete patent. जो भी है तुम्हारा abstract, field of the invention, background of the invention, claims, सब कुछ जाएगा Form 2 में. Form 3, it's an interesting one. It's a statement and undertaking under Section 8. Section 8 of Patent Act actually tells you that, hey, we are Indian Patent Office, we need to know whatever is invention is happening in India and you are filing it outside, we need to know. So whenever you will file the same invention outside India, you have to let the IPO know. 5 is declaration of inventorship. As I said, inventors के पास लीगल राइट्स है नहीं, तो क्या करना है, बट उनको मिलेगा कि ये इन्वेंटर्स है, ये पक्का उनका क्रेडिट मिलेगा. फॉर दैट एन एप्लीकेंट और एन असाइनी नीड्स अ सिग्नेचर फ्रॉम द इन्वेंटर्स कि यहाँ भाई ये इन्वेंटर्स है, मुझे पता है कि ये इन्वेंटर्स है, सो यू नीड दैट डिक्लेरेशन ऑफ इन्वेंटरशिप. And 26 is for us. If you come to us and if you let us do the filing, it's the Form 26, authorization of patent agent. Now, जब भी whenever you start filing the filing the forms, filling the forms, there is one section that comes on the form 2, or form 1 is type of patent application. There are multiple types of patent application: complete, provisional application, patent of addition, divisional application, conventional application and PCT application. पूरा ऊपर से जाएगा. I'll just explain a little bit. Okay. Provisional patent application. You started working on some invention, you started working, you're conducting some research and you come to know कि यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, ये कहीं पे भी नहीं है. I am going towards maybe a formulation कि यार इसकी efficacy तो बहुत बढ़िया आ रही है, ये बहुत अच्छा है, but अभी तक रिसर्च पूरा नहीं हुआ है, इन विट्रो एनालिसिस नहीं किया है, इन विवो एनालिसिस नहीं किया है, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, डेटा जनरेट नहीं हुआ है, बट आइडिया तो बढ़िया है. द फर्स्ट थिंग यू शुड डू इज फाइलिंग फॉर अ प्रोविजनल एप्लीकेशन. क्या देना है प्रोविजनल एप्लीकेशन में? यू डू नॉट गिव क्लेम्स इन प्रोविजनल एप्लीकेशन. You just give all the information, the broadest information that you may have and file it. What will happen? The IPO will give you 12 months ka period, waiting period ki, okay, you have now 12 months, you have given us the abstract idea, now you have 12 months to complete that application. We give you additional 12 months so that आप लोग उसको पूरा data, examples, claims, claims सब submit कर दो एक साल में. So let's say if I'm filing on 1st January 2025 a provisional application, I have to file and convert it into complete application by 31st of December 2025. No claims are required. So what does the provisional application do is, so हम लोग जब छोटे थे मम्मी मेरे को लेके जाती थी मामा के पास, I am in Pune, मामा थे मुंबई में, रिजर्वेशन करते नहीं थे, तो what my mom used to do is she used to ट्रेन के अंदर सिर्फ रुमाल डाल देती थी कि हाँ भी तो अंदर जाके ये जगह मेरी है, ये यहाँ पे हम लोग बैठेंगे. That's what provisional application does. वो रुमाल डाल देता है. बेसिक है कि पेटेंट के लिए प्रायोरिटी डेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये मेरी डेट है, इसके आगे कोई भी अगर आएगा तो नहीं भाई ये मेरा पेटेंट है, मैं तुमको सू करूंगा. So that's what provisional patent application does. It secures your priority date. वो रुमाल डाल देता है कि ये मेरा है, ये मैंने पहले सोचा है. Then comes the complete specification. Here things gets little bit, more stringent की इसमें claims भी देने हैं, इसमें examples भी देना है, ये mandatory है patent application file करते वक्त complete specification के साथ claims are mandatory only, and it will automatically get published after 18 months. Provisional applications publish नहीं होंगी, complete specifications will always get published at 18 months. Okay, तो ये पहला जो सेक्शन था जो ऑर्डिनरी एप्लीकेशंस थे. Here टाइप ऑफ पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन में फर्स्ट था ऑर्डिनरी एप्लीकेशन. वी हैव सीन द कंप्लीट एंड प्रोविजनल. नाउ विल सी द फॉरेन एप्लीकेशंस. सो एज ऑल ऑफ अस नो, पेटेंट के लिए एब्सोल्यूट नॉवेल्टी चाहिए. अगर मुझे इंडिया में भी पेटेंट लेना है, any patent shouldn't be available in Japan or in China or in US or anywhere on the world map. So let's say I have a very good invention, I have like great formulation है जिससे headache 2 मिनट में खत्म होता है, not like it's just an arbitrary example, कहीं पे भी नहीं है, तो I would like to protect it entirely, right? मुझे US में भी पेटेंट चाहिए, मुझे जापान में भी चाहिए, सब जगह चाहिए. So it will be very cumbersome कि हम हर जगह जाके फाइलिंग करें, उसको ट्रैक करें, there will be lot of documentation. और कुछ करने से पहले हमारा अगर कहीं का एप्लीकेशन पब्लिश हो जाएगा तो our own application will stand as a prior art for that patent application. So to avoid that, there are two ways that you can file a foreign patents. One is the conventional application, and second is by PCT route. What happens in the conventional application? So the conventional application is basically there is a treaty signed between India and multiple countries that okay, we are the convention countries, we are a group of the countries, we are friends. So if somebody files a patent application in India and he want to file his patent application in those convention countries, you have 12 months time. You can file that within the 12 months time and you will be still getting hold of that priority date. And PCT application. This is where the fun begins. It's like you get extra additional, like in total of 31 months, extra additional 18 months than the PCT application. What you do, you file it in India, then you go to a PCT, like the WIPO office, and you file a PCT application within 12 months, And therein you can wait for another 18 months to enter into different countries. This way you can gauge the market. This way you can think, okay, मुझे चाइना में जाना चाहिए, नहीं जाना चाहिए, वहाँ का market कैसा है? Will it like benefit me or it will not benefit me? So this will give additional like good 18 months to decide कि किस like countries में जाके file करना है. Okay. सबको branded stuff चाहिए, सबको मतलब यूएस वाली पर्स चाहिए, इटली का चॉकलेट चाहिए, किसी को इंडिया का कुछ नहीं चाहिए आजकल, सबको बाहर से मंगवाना है, आईफोन चाहिए बट यूएस से चाहिए, कोई चाचा आ रहा है, भतीजा आ रहा है, किसको बोले कि पर्स लेके आओ, शूज लेके आओ, परफ्यूम लेके आओ. कैन यू एक्चुअली डू दैट फॉर पेटेंट्स कि इंडिया में करना ही नहीं है फाइल, बाहर ही करना है फाइल. क्यों करना है इंडिया में, पैसे तो है नहीं इंडिया में जैसे सबको लगता है. तो फिर यू कैन यू फाइल एक्चुअली विदाउट फाइलिंग इट इन इंडिया? You can, but for that you have to fill form 25 and let the IPO know कि hey, I have this invention, I want to file it outside, I don't see a market in India, I don't want to file it in India, please let me know if I can file the invention directly outside. The patent office will take roughly 21 days to examine everything and they will take you, okay fine, you can go ahead and do it. Usually they do give the permission, but they need the disclosure from our end that what things we are filing. Are we filing anything related to atomic energy? Are we filing anything related to defense? Just to protect the country's security, we need to give that information. If something comes up under atomic energy and defense, we won't be getting that permission. They won't allow us to file it outside India, sometimes not in India itself. So, what you can do is you have filed the patent in India, wait for 6 weeks, and then you can file it outside India. Okay. Now, this comes under so the ordinary applications, we have talked about ordinary applications so far. There is one more thing, the extension application. Two types of applications are there, patent of addition and divisional applications. Let's say you develop something, maybe a formulation who is like efficacy of 15%. 15% में ही आपका सर दर्द ठीक हो रहा है. But later on you are working again, researchers तो बार आगे और efficiency और efficacy के लिए try करेंगे. Maybe पता चला like after 1 year कि यार ये तो 5% तक में लेके आया हो concentrations change करने के बाद. What you can do? You can go for patent of addition. Any improvement or modification of your existing application will go under patent of addition. Patent of addition को भी 20 साल, if my main application has still left like roughly 10 years on it, then the patent of addition will also have the same expiration date. It will also have the 10 years on it. So that's patent of addition. And divisional applications. So सब कुछ बताना है, पेटेंट चाहिए, बहुत बड़ा इन्वेंशन बना दिया, इट्स लाइक बिग इन्वेंशन, बहुत सारे इन्वेंटिव कॉन्सेप्ट्स है उसमें. तो in that case, sometimes what happens is a single application actually has multiple inventions. That's not allowed. Your one application should have only one invention. We get one patent for only one invention. So happen that we tend to give multiple examples, so much of information in that one application कि चलो एक में ही मिल जाएगा सब कुछ. But our patent office doesn't allow that. They will tell you in their objection कि ठीक है भाई divide कर दो, या फिर हमें खुद को voluntarily उसको divide करना पड़ता है. तो जो division हम करते हैं वो invention का, that's a divisional application. Am I going too fast? Okay, I will take questions till this point if anybody has any questions. We have seen who can file, which forms are there to file, where we can file, the jurisdiction, and types of patent application. Yes, ma'am.
So if the student is from, say, Mumbai,
Huh.
so the student is from Mumbai,
Okay.
and he's studying in Chennai.
Okay.
So where does he file the patent? Just
Yeah, two options. So first of all, he's studying in Chennai with some particular college, right? So the address of college will be the main address, not the student's address. Because in the end, applicant will be that college, not the student.
okay.
Right?
Right.
Yeah. I see. Okay. Okay. So अभी थोड़ा बातें करते हैं. जानवी से कुछ inspiration ले लूँ मैं भी. So who all are married here? Anybody has a love marriage? You please tell me your story. Just a brief story. कैसे हुआ, कैसे मिले, क्या किया? Yeah, please, please. And I'm not talking out of context. I promise. I'm not talking out of context.
Yeah. So my story was quite unique, and after
Students
years,
might, you should learn to, ma'am.
I
You
came
can
to
learn
know
ma'am.
कि विवाह का story was almost based.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, many of my friends had told me then in college that you get your love story.
Yeah. I would
Copyrighted.
love to hear that. We can like spend 5 minutes and hear your love story. I
Like
would
you
love
actually want to hear the story?
to. Yeah, of course. I want to hear the story. Yes, I want to.
Okay, so we both were in the same class.
Okay.
And I used to receive calls, like my mom used to receive calls.
फरिश्ता रिश्ते के लिए
नहीं रिश्ते के लिए नहीं कि that person who used to call up used to claim कि she is the junior from my college only.
Okay.
And she's really concerned about me.
Okay.
And my now husband is
Yeah.
taking me for a ride.
Okay.
So I mean she should take care of me and stuff.
Okay. Okay.
So it was pretty bad, of course. My parents.
So they must have like
They were
Yeah.
like really strict and all. And we kept on wondering who is this girl
who is
calling
like
up.
giving away all the information,
yeah.
right? Who is publishing your affair? Yeah.
Correct. So then we came to know it was none other than my husband's mom only.
Oh, okay. Is it? That's something. So how did your mom react? Like, did
No,
she
of course
like?
she was very pissed off.
Okay, so she
But
did.
she didn't know till then that it is my mother-in-law only.
Okay. Okay.
So now ये part हो गया.
Okay.
उसके बाद it so happened that when I was in third year, I met with an accident.
Okay.
And I told my husband, because I had met with a burns accident.
Okay.
So so I told my husband that it's better we break off. Like I was in the hospital for almost like 2 months.
Okay.
So when I came back, I told him, let's break off because you have no idea how badly I'm burned.
Yeah.
So he said, what if this had happened after marriage?
Okay. मुझे
And I
okay.
said, and I said, no, that time you would have had to stick to me
Okay.
because we are married.
Right.
So then that's when he said, then consider we are married.
Okay. No, superb.
So
Okay. So your mom, what was her reaction? Your parents, what was your parents' reaction?
after the accident, obviously they were more than happy
So they
that
kind of
somebody
like
is ready
he
to
passed his exam, their
हाँ,
exam
willing
that
to.
okay, you're
But
actually.
पहले तो obviously they were not. So apparently that accident wala part is something that matters. I've yet to see this Vivaha movie.
Okay. So if I have to summarize it for you, you had an affair. Somebody published your affair to your mom. Your mom kind of, you met with an accident. It kind of examined your husband's love for you, right? Then they might have raised some objection कि यार तुमने objection raise किया कि यार कैसे करेगा शादी? You don't do it. But then your husband, in full love with you, he said, okay, Nini, fine, I grant it. We should get married. It's fine, it's cool, right? So that's the similar. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for sharing. It actually gave me a base. I was pretty nervous to ask this. That's what exactly the patent office does. Patent filing. File तो कर लिया, ठीक है? Patent application publication. मैम की वुड बी सासू माँ ने उनका अफेयर पब्लिश कर दिया, सबको बता दिया दैट ओके शी इज हैविंग एन अफेयर विथ माय सन. दैट्स अ पेटेंट एप्लीकेशन पब्लिकेशन फॉर यू. मैम मेट विथ एन एक्सीडेंट, मतलब वो पूछा उन्होंने कि यार मैं तो खराब स्टेज में हूँ. यू रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर एग्जामिनेशन की सोच ले भाई करना है फिर भी एग्जामिनेशन, एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन. सर ने बोला नहीं वी आर स्टिल गोइंग टू गेट मैरिड. पेटेंट ग्रांट एंड पब्लिकेशन. मॉम डैड ने हंसी खुशी राजी होके शादी करवा दी. दैट्स अ पेटेंट ग्रांट एंड पब्लिकेशन. आई जस्ट यूज दिस एनालॉजी सो दैट फिट बैठ जाए दिमाग में कि ऐसे ही होता है. क्या होता है, आप पेरेंट्स, आपका अफेयर होता है, आप पेरेंट्स के लिए रिक्वेस्ट, पेरेंट्स को पहले पब्लिश करते हो, बोल देते हो, फिर पेरेंट्स को बोलते कि बंदे को मिल लो यार, रिक्वेस्ट है हमारी, मिल लो. क्या करता है फिर पेरेंट्स मिलते हैं, पूरा चाय पोहा का ये हो जाता है कि चला चाह पड़ा प्रोग्राम चला. पेरेंट्स एग्जामिन करते हैं, देन देयर इज द एग्जामिनेशन. जब वो आते हैं मिलने, प्रॉपरली एग्जामिन, क्या पढ़े हो, कितना सैलरी है, क्या करते हो, लड़की को कहाँ रखोगे, एवरीथिंग, एंड देन दे ग्रांट यू अ परमिशन एंड यू गेट मैरिड.
But what if in some cases this could was second step, two and first steps are now missing directly?
Request for examination? Which one? Can you point out? No, that doesn't happen. No, that doesn't happen. Which case? In person. Ma'am, this is just an analogy, ma'am. It's just to explain that this is something our mentor have taught us this way, and I think this is very cool because I can see some students were a little bit sleepy over at the back, and the moment ma'am started sharing a love story, everybody's like, "हमें भी सुनना है, क्या है?" So it's just an analogy, ma'am. Okay. So this is a general pathway. We'll go one by one. It's very complicated, but we'll just see one by one. First, let's say we'll start with the provisional specification. You have a provisional specification. If you have a complete specification, this step is not required. If you have provisional specification, within 12 months, you have to file the complete specification. Provisional specification में क्या है? सिर्फ idea है, abstract है, field of the invention है, title है, detailed description है, but claims नहीं है. Claims are actually important. Claims is what your invention is about. That will actually give you the legal right over your innovation. So पहले तो वो file करना है 12 months में complete specification. Once you file the complete specification, your invention gets published. Your application will get published on the patent office's website after 18 months. ठीक है? उसके बाद this is the time where, let's say, if it's my application, it got published. But let's say I have developed some sort of, again, formulation, but there is some competitor, let's say Janvi is my competitor, and she's like, oh my God, iska agar ho gaya, to mere business ko bhi problem hai. So actually she can file a opposition ki iska patent tum grant mat karo. Of course, that is a deeper case, and that's all about that's not my role to explain it to you. It's more of a lawyer's job to do it. But she can actually oppose me getting a patent for 1 year. Okay. After that, if there is no request for opposition, my patent will get published. Now, it's not like कि publish हो गया, तो वो खुद examine कर लेंगे, भाई अपना patent office है, इतना तो efficient, थोड़ा slow है. So we will have to ask for request for examination. There is a form called Form 18 wherein you can ask for request for examination कि भाई मेरा ये application है, इसको please examine कर दो and please इसको grant कर दो. अगर normal way से नहीं जाना है, then there is one more lever, मतलब way to do it. You can expedite that process by filing Form 18A. Double the money. इसके लिए सिर्फ 4,000 भरने हैं, request for examination के लिए इसके लिए 8,000 देने हैं. एक बार expedite कर, same is for the publication by the way, कि 18 months नहीं रुकना है, you want it immediately published within 1 month, fill Form 9, pay the money and get the application published within 1 month. Then request for examination कर लिया, expedited examination. कौन eligible है? Startups है, small business owners है, MSMEs है, government institutes है, ladies है, अच्छी बात है ladies है. Like if you are an applicant, if अगर एक भी applicant lady है, तो भी आप expedited examination कर सकते हो. एक बार examination के लिए डाला. At patent office, there are examiners, there are controllers. Examiners, you all are aware, right? What are examiners and what are controllers? नहीं? बता दूँ 2 मिनट में? Okay. Patent office में 2 basically main characters है. एक है examiner, एक है controller. Examiner will report to the controller. Examiner will actually look at your application, check its patentability from their end. हम लोग भी हमारे लिए करते हैं so that we can decide if we have to file it or not. But they will conduct it again to check कि उन्हें grant करना है या नहीं करना है. फाइल वो चेक करेंगे, सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स करेक्ट है या नहीं वो चेक करेंगे. कुछ अगर ऑब्जेक्शंस है तो वो ऑब्जेक्शन एक रिपोर्ट में लिखेंगे, कंट्रोलर को देंगे. कंट्रोलर इज बेसिकली उनके बॉसेस है. ओके, कंट्रोलर एट हिज एंड विल लुक एट द एप्लीकेशन. अगर उनको लगता है कि यार हाँ एग्जामिनर ने सही काम किया है, तो फिर वो हमें जनरेट करेंगे फर्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन रिपोर्ट, FER. हर एक पेटेंट के लिए दे विल जनरेट एन FER and they will send it over to the applicant. Now, क्या होता है यूजुअली FER में डॉक्यूमेंट्स लिस्टेड होते हैं कि we found this D1, D2 and D3, ये चीज़ें ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है, तो फिर आपका एप्लीकेशन कैसे नॉवल है, ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स के कंपैरिजन में हाउ इट इज डिफरेंट, यू जस्ट हैव टू प्रूव दैट. सो फॉर दैट रिक्वेस्ट, फॉर दैट FER, फर्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन रिक्वेस्ट, you first examination report, you have to submit a reply. and that reply you have to send it within 6 months, which is extendable up to 3 months. अगर आप नहीं reply कोई submit करते हो, then that application will be called as abandoned. नहीं होगा आगे process, आपका application वहीं रुक जाएगा. Since it's already in the public domain because of the publication, आगे जाके भी आपको कभी भी उसके ऊपर patent नहीं मिलेगा because it's already in the public domain. Now, once you give a reply, if patent office thinks that yeah, अच्छा reply है, it satisfies my all the concerns, he will grant your patent directly. जानवी के साथ ऐसा हुआ है एक बार, it's very rare, but she have actually got it granted just after giving the FER reply, but majority of the time controller नहीं मानेंगे. He will send you a hearing notice, proper वाली जो hearing होती है to discuss. It's not a major thing, but it's like you have to discuss, you have to prove the controller कि नहीं भाई मेरा सच्ची में जो बातें लिख के नहीं समझ आती वो कॉल पे बताना होता है. So it can be either by audio call or it can be either by the video call. Whatever is there in the notice, whichever date it has been written, you have to appear for that date on the hearing. After the hearing, you have 15 days to write whatever the discussion was during that call. That we call usually is written submission. वो देना है 15 दिन में, then the controller will decide कि ये refuse करना है या ये grant करना है. Usually एक ही होती है hearing, but sometimes you do get the second examination report also. So that's about the general pathway, how the filing works, that you file for the patent gets published, then after publication you have to request for examination. After request for examination, you have to give, the controller will give you FER, then you have to reply to that FER, then there will be hearing notice, hearing, and then there will be refusal or grant of the patent. Timelines. Okay, patent filing के लिए forms है 1, 2, 3, 5 and 26. Request for examination form 18, 4,000 rupees if you have to expedite it. Form 18A, 8,000 rupees. First examination report, FER is usually generated by the patent office. There is no charge for it, there is no form for it. Reply to FER, we have to reply to that FER within like 6 months, extendable up to 3 months. Hearing, it will be in person or in video. Return submission in the form of Form 30 within 15 days. And the grant, if there is a grant, there will be a grant certificate issued for you. Publication of app. Then we'll look at the each stage of the patent prosecution in a little bit of detail. Actually, we have already covered it, but still, publication of application, it can get published earlier if we file the Form 9. What happens after publication? So your abstract, your drawings, your specification, and other documents gets published on the patent office's website. Right after the publication. क्यों publish करना है? मतलब अगर सबको नहीं पता चल रहा है कि मेरा invention क्या है, my competitors are not aware, then why you have to publish the application? First, what happens after the publication? If it's a bio-related invention and if you have used anything biological material, it will get publicly available. You have to deposit the biological material into the depository. Anybody after that can go check it out, see. Then applicant shall have right privileges. जब मेरा application publish होता है, let's say my application gets published on 1st of June 2025. My rights begin from 1st of June 2025 because now everybody is aware that I am working on something. I have this invention. Even though I cannot sue them at that point because it's not granted yet, but once I get the grant, I can start suing them from that publication date. And a patent cannot be granted unless it has been published for 6 months. तो जब तक कोई भी application public domain में publication में 6 महीने तक ना रहे, nobody can, the patent cannot be granted. Why is that so? Because in that time period, the patent office is checking that if somebody is actually opposing the patent, that if somebody else who the patent office might not have data about is there working on it, looking at it, that person can actually sue in those 6 months and then the opposition, pre-grant opposition will start. Request for examination. It will not get examined automatically. You have to file the request for examination. Any person can file it in 18. any interest applicant can file in 18A. Okay, so this is a good catch actually. Let's say Janvi has a application published. I can also do it for her. I can also ask to examine the application for her. If we both are coming from same domain, if I am the competitor, I can actually expedite that process for her. Need not to be her herself that मतलब वही खुद करिए, it shouldn't be the case. In this case, सब reports, सब कुछ जानवी को जाएगा, but मैं process expedite कर सकती हूँ पैसे देके. There is a form 18A. Form 18A is the application will get published, तो उसका publication number generate हो जाएगा. You can give that publication number, fill form 18 for that publication, pay the money, and that application will get expedited. No, she is the owner. She is the applicant, but I still can do it. Sometimes so happen that because I am a competitor, तो मुझे पता चलेगा ना कि उसका क्या है, उसका अगर ग्रांट होता है तो मेरे बिजनेस पे तो आ सकता है, मतलब it can harm my business. क्या है क्या नहीं है वो करने के लिए people usually don't do it, but there is a provision that you can actually do it. You can actually expedite it if you are a person interested. So person interested is you have to come from the similar domain, from the same business in order to do that. Yes? Okay, sorry. If you do not file the request for examination, it will be deemed to withdrawn. Expedited examination, as we see, faster route for specific application. For startups, small entities, female applicant, government departments, applicants using Indian Patent Office's ISN IP. ISN IP are basically when you file the patent in the PCT application, the PCT makes reports for that patent, just the patentability reports. So if you have filed, so there are various PCT centers, you can say India is one of them. So if India makes a searching report for that application, then that application, when enters in India, can actually expedite the process. Government funded institutes, and one major thing is you have to file, if you are expediting it, you have to get published first. So you have to file form 9 first. No application will get examined unless it is published. Okay, so the documents examiner checks is all the legal documents, if all the forms are there, all the patentability criteria are met, that it's novel, it's obvious, they check everything, does it have industrial applicability, utility. First examination report, we done that. Hearing and decision. I think we pretty, okay. After the patent is granted, you will get the patent for 20 years from the filing date. 1st January 2025 को अगर फाइल किया है तो मिलेगा 31st December 2045 तक. You will get it for 20 years. Each year you will have to pay the fee starting from 3rd year. पहले 2 साल का तो होता है उसी में included. And there is no जैसे design में होता है, you can renew it. There is no renewal for patents. After the grant, controller will publish the patent. He will notify notify in the gazette that okay, publish हो गया, grant हो गया है, and the date of the patent will be sealed and it will get emailed to you. Yeah, pretty much. That's it. Lunchtime पटाख से हो जाएगा. I am open to any questions. Complicated है, boring है, जानवी के बाद बहुत बोर हो गया. Ma'am, that totally depends on agent to agent. I think you can talk to sir about it if you would like to have a quote for Patlex. I do not operate in the quotation part, so I am not able to answer you that part. But I think it will completely depend on firm to firm and agent to agent. If somebody. Ma'am, what I'll suggest is going to agent. So I'm not saying this because I'm an agent, but see ma'am, there is a way you draft the patent. I have seen lot of patents जिसमें ना claims properly नहीं लिखे होते हैं. So if this is something very meaningful and you want to pursue that, I would definitely suggest you to go to patent agent. वो लोग अच्छे से draft करके देते हैं. I mean the claims are betterly अच्छे से. The claims are usually, जैसे कि I'll give you an example in the drafting sessions. I will elaborate more on that claims part in the drafting sessions. But you need to get the broadest claim for patents. जैसे डिजाइन में सर ने बोला कि एक ट्विक कर दोगे तो तुमको दूसरा मिल जाएगा डिजाइन. सो वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट एस्पेक्ट इन पेटेंट्स के कुछ ट्वीक करके भी किसी और को ना मिले, पेटेंट मुझे ही मिले. So while drafting the claims. No, of course not.
Because I am giving my entire data to a certain agent.
Okay.
And what if the agent leaks somewhere else?
Ma'am, there is a non-disclosure agreement that happens between the agent and
general information.
Yeah, I'm telling you. General NDA sign hota. Patent agents, we are morally not allowed to do that. And if there is a contract signed, then we are liable for that. So usually तसं नाही होत because there are contracts in place. कारण काही झालं ना तर लाईक व्हेरी फ्रँकली पेटंट ऑफिस पण एजंटलाच पकडतात आणि क्लायंट्स पण एजंटलाच पकडतात. सो इट डझंट हॅपन दॅट वे. सो येस मॅम.
ओके, माझा एक प्रश्न आहे.
हां बोल.
So like the whole idea of this seminar is that by the end we should also give the exam and become patent agents.
Sure, right.
Right?
Yes.
So now tell me, after seeing the process, after I become patent agent, don't I need to be in the field or like really file patents so that I get an idea? Because experience definitely matters, right?
Yes.
तर मग काय फायदा तो ती एक्झाम
कारण मग तुम्ही एक्झाम देऊन तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस पण तर कराल ना. जर का प्रॅक्टिस करणार नसेल तर टेक्निकली करेक्ट आहे की देन वाय
फॉर स्टुडंट्स लाईक येस्टरडे सर वॉज एक्सप्लेनिंग की फॉर स्टुडंट्स इट बिकम सो मच इझियर.
येस मॅम. Yes, definitely.
So we can help guide them and like they can do it.
Yes.
So no, instead of going to a patent agent, if we guide them, they can do it on their own.
If the invention is theirs.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
All that is in place.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely. Who can file? Either a patent agent can file, or an inventor or assignee can file. So if you want to go that route, if somebody, जैसे जानवी खुद inventor है, तो उसी ने खुद ने फाइल कर दिया ना, बिकॉज उसको तब तक तो वो पेटेंट एजेंट भी नहीं थी, खुद ही ने फाइल किया बिकॉज दैट्स अलाउड ना मॅम. ते अलाउडच आहे, तुम्ही करू शकता. पेटंट एजंट इज काइंड ऑफ अ सर्व्हिस आयपीने तुम्हाला दिली आहे की तुम्हाला जर नसेल जमत तर ठीक आहे, लोक आहेत त्यांच्याकडनं करून घ्या. सो इट्स नॉट मॅन्डेटरी की यू विल हॅव टू गो टू पेटंट एजंट. बट हॅव्हिंग सेड दॅट, माझा पण पोटापाण्याचा प्रश्न आहे. नाही, आय एम जस्ट किडिंग, बट या ट्रू. I will vouch for it की नाही तुम्ही माझ्याकडनंच करून घ्या because that's how I will generate the money. But you can, it's okay. I mean, you can do it yourself. हां सर, ते काहीच सांगता येत नाही. You cannot tell that. Like आत्ता मध्ये काही काळामध्ये to give you the एकदम correct idea की गेले काही दिवस एक्झामिनर्सचं ट्रेनिंग चाललं होतं, त्यामुळे मधले काही महिने एक्झामिनेशन रिपोर्ट्सच येत नव्हते. इट्स बीन लाईक 3-4 months की आम्हाला एक्झामिनेशन रिपोर्ट्सच आले नाही आहेत बिकॉज पेटंट ऑफिसमध्ये एक्झामिनर्स नव्हते. सो वी कांट टेल दॅट. बट फॉर्म 80 भरला तर एका महिन्यामध्ये येतं. सो 1 month ना जानवी FER अगर 18 में ए भरते तो 1 महीने में आ जाता है ना. हाँ ना 18A में एग्जामिनेशन रिपोर्ट 18A में 1 month में सर, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर 1 month में आ जाएगा. एक्सपीडाइटेड 1 month में आ जाएगा.
Within 1 or 2 months maximum they generate the report.
Once you file the expedited examination, त्यांना timeline, they have to bound to a timeline because मी पैसे पण extra भरताय ना. Like you are paying double the amount and that's I'm like 4,000 आणि 8,000 मी म्हणजे मोठ्या कंपन्यांसाठी तर ते 5पट पैसे घेतात. This I am telling just for the small organization, government institutes, solo inventors, MSME त्यांच्याकरता हे पैसे. Baki, if you are part of a bigger company, let's say Cipla, if I have to do it, then they will take it 8 into 5. 40,000 त्यांच्याकडनं तेवढ्या कामासाठी घेणार आहेत ते. And that's just a patent office fee. आपली पण नाही, म्हणजे एजन्सी पण नाही. Yes, ma'am.
करतो, that time we are not disclosing the claims.
No.
And it is not published also.
No.
Right? So does anyone, competitors come to know about it? That something is like this is filed and something
It
is
doesn't
going
ना
on?
ma'am, कसं करणार? Because it is not published. Nobody comes to know. That is, nobody knows.
Till it is granted.
Till it is published. Till you complete it, you provide the claims, you provide all the data. मग ते complete specification तुम्ही 12 महिन्यांमध्ये फाईल कराल, 18 months तुम्ही वेट कराल आणि त्यानंतर ते पब्लिश होईल. तोपर्यंत कोणाला काहीच कळणार नाही. सो लेट्स से इफ यू थिंक की मे बी असं पण करतात बऱ्याचदा लोक की पब्लिकेशन 18 months मध्ये होतं, राईट. 15 month मध्ये त्यांना कळलं की यार ह्याला काहीच इम्पॉर्टन्स नाही आहे, ह्याने काही एवढा नाही आहे. लोक अगदी 15व्या महिन्याला पण ॲप्लिकेशन काढून घेतात. सो दॅट काय होतं, त्याच्यामुळे मग तुमचं पब्लिकेशन होतच नाही, ॲप्लिकेशन पब्लिशच होत नाही. सो इट्स डन. इट्स लाईक नोबडी न्यू की काय चाललं होतं त्याच्यामध्ये. येस, बिकॉज येस ना पब्लिकेशन झालं की मग यू फाईल द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर एक्झामिनेशन. वन्स यू फाईल द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर एक्झामिनेशन त्याच्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्शन येणार. तुम्ही जर का रिक्वेस्ट फॉर एक्झामिनेशन नाही फाईल केलं तुमच्या ॲप्लिकेशनकडे कोणीही बघणार नाही. इट इज डीम टू बी अबेंडंट. तुम्ही अबेंडन केलं आहे तुमच्या ॲप्लिकेशनला आणि अनफॉर्च्युनेटली ते आता पब्लिक डोमेनमध्ये पण गेलं आहे. हां म्हणजे तुम्ही लाईक हे पण गेलं ते पण गेलं असं झालं. सो जर का नसेलच पुढे लक्ष द्यायचं तर बेटर अप्रोच इज की पब्लिश व्हायच्या आधीच जे काही आहेत ते निर्णय घेऊन टाका 18 महिन्यामध्ये की खरंच करायचं आहे का नाही करायचं आहे. सो दॅट्स अ बेटर स्ट्रॅटेजी. एनीबडी एल्स? नो? येस मॅम.
सो डिझाईनमध्ये पण आपल्याला सर्च करावं लागतं की असं काही डिझाईन म्हणजे दॅट ऑल्सो वी कॅन सर्च.
येस, डिझाईन करता पण सर्चिंग आहे. यू वॉन्ट टू आन्सर द क्वेश्चन? येस.
So ma'am, when it comes to design, yes, we do a prior search, but generally whatever designs have come to us, they have always been novel only. So we have rarely received any novelty objection. Plus we do a prior art search for designs as well. We just because there is this option in Google now wherein you can upload your image and scan. So that is one of the method which we use to look for whether the design is already there in the public domain or not. That even you guys can do that. There is a scanning option in Google. You can simply upload your image and check whether something resembling that but your image is available or not. If it is there, then maybe you can just skip the idea of going for design registration. If it's not, then please move ahead.
So
Janvi,
Google
can I
Lens.
Yes, again you can modify, you can tweak it a bit, the design, you can play along the lines on design, surface pattern or ornamentation, and you can go for design. Yes.
Janvi,
Thank
can I
you.
also answer that question? So also there are particular some paid databases where there are like patent data available that you need to take a service of. There you have an option of uploading your image and any patent document that has a similar drawing or design like that they will pop out there also. So कुठलाही design जर तुम्हाला करायचं असेल search, there are paid databases as well. Also there is one service that IPO gives. You can fill form 5 and form 6 to check with them की त्यांच्याकडे already कुठला असा design file झाला आहे का. So that can also be done in addition to the normal searching, मतलब Google Lens का searching. That can also be done.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Done? खाना खा के ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए ओके ड्राफ्टिंग के लिए प्लीज गेट योर पेन एंड पेपर समथिंग. I will speak less, you will work more. So that will be fun session, I promise. नहीं तो फिर बाद में lunch. How your invention is different than the one that is already present in the prior art. So the background of this invention will be this first paragraph, and also you can include a prior art here describing each piece of the prior art and conclude a paragraph explaining why your herbal formulation is better than anybody else's. Okay. टाइटल लिखने के बाद फर्स्ट सॉरी आई मिस्ड इट फील्ड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन आता है. यू हैव टू गिव कि क्या है इन्वेंशन किस फील्ड से है. तो इट यूजुअली स्टार्ट्स विद द प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन पर्टिकुलरली रिलेट्स टू. देन यू कैन ऐड अ जनरल टर्म फॉर व्हाट इट इज कि अगर डिवाइस है कि अब हियर इन दिस केस द प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन पर्टिकुलरली रिलेट्स टू अ क्रीम फॉर्मुलेशन, अ जनरल टर्म ऑफ योर इन्वेंशन. More specifically to a herbal moisturizing cream formulation. Start किया, the present invention particularly relates to, then you have to put a मतलब general term, फिर more specifically and explain it to the detail. Second इसमें बहुत vaguely you have to give the components. अगर device है तो उसके ये लिखो parts लिखो vaguely, not describing its position, and then you can put a single line for the how the formulation can be used. So the field of the invention can consist of 3 lines. First इसमें start with the present invention particularly relates to, add a general term and explain it in detail. Second will be just naming the formulation हो गए तो उसके components क्या है और end में उसका use क्या है. Will give you to the field of the invention. Background हो गया. Now come the objects of the invention. Whatever you are trying to trying to achieve through your invention should come under the object of the invention. In this particular case, and you can start it with, you should start it with, the object of the present invention is. In this case, the object of the present invention is to provide a herbal cream formulation. Another object is, क्या क्या है वो formulation में, उसके component डाल दिए. Another object आ गया कि वो कैसे बनाया है वो डाल दिया. And the last one is किस चीज़ के लिए use किया है वो डाल दिया. तो अगर डिवाइस है तो यहाँ पे क्या आता कि प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन रिलेट टू अ पर्टिकुलर डिवाइस. जैसे कि वो चेयर था तो वो चेयर है, उसके कंपोनेंट्स क्या है और उसका यूज क्या है. दैट विल बी योर ऑब्जेक्ट्स फॉर दैट इन्वेंशन. समरी ऑफ द इन्वेंशन. सो हियर इज अ ट्रिक दैट वी यूज. वी यूजुअली कॉपी पेस्ट ऑल आवर क्लेम्स हियर, व्हाटएवर. दैट्स द रीजन आई टोल्ड यू के पहले क्लेम्स बनाए सो समरी ईजी हो जाती है. ऑल द इंडिपेंडेंट क्लेम्स विल गो एज एन एम्बॉडीमेंट and all the dependent claims will go as an aspect. So जो कोई भी आप independent claim बनाओगे, it will go as in an embodiment the present invention relates to and body of that independent claim. And in the next line जो भी dependent claims है वो independent claim के ऊपर, जैसे कि अगर first independent है और second and third dependent है one के ऊपर, तो यहाँ पे आएगा in an aspect of an embodiment. तो वो first के ऊपर जो second वाला dependent है उसका आएगा यहाँ पे, और थर्ड अनदर आएगा इन एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द एम्बॉडीमेंट द प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन रिलेटेड टू थर्ड वाला डिपेंडेंट क्लेम. क्लेम्स करें डायरेक्टली, हाँ बेटर रहेगा ना ये पढ़ाने में. ओके तो प्रोडक्ट था और प्रोसेस था, तो दो क्लेम तो बनेंगे ही. एक तो प्रोडक्ट बने, प्रोडक्ट का पूरा फॉर्मुलेशन बनाएंगे एंड सेकेंड बनाएंगे प्रोसेस का. In this case, क्या क्या products थे? 30% weight by weight of aloe vera extract, 20% weight by weight of coconut oil, 15% of shea butter, 10% of beeswax, 5% vitamin E and 20% of purified water. Now, independent claim starts with a, comprising के बाद आएगा दो dots, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ हाँ, और फिर with every component there will be a semicolon. It should end with a full stop. कहीं पे भी claims में बीच में कहीं भी full stop नहीं लगेगा. It should be single sentence, single full stop only. Now actually ma'am is not there, but she had asked कि इसको सिर्फ एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट करके बना सकते हैं क्या? तो यस, यूजुअल स्ट्रैटेजी हम वही बनाते हैं कि हम हर्बल मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम फॉर्मुलेशन कंप्राइजिंग पहला क्लेम बनाएंगे एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट, कोकोनट ऑयल, शिया बटर, बी वैक्स, विटामिन ई एंड प्योरीफाइड वाटर, और उसके बाद वाला बनाएंगे ये वाला पूरा का पूरा. बट फॉर इजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई हैव जस्ट सिंपली picked out the components. I have jotted down here. Now there were also a line that this formulation is free from synthetic preservatives and artificial fragrance. तो ये होगा dependent claim on this first independent claim. The dependent claim में it starts with the, it should have preamble of the first claim, the herbal moisturizing cream formulation. This preamble is copy pasted here as claimed in claim 1. This line should be there, comma, wherein the, as claimed in claim 1, comma, wherein the is the way you should write it, is the correct way. And then you have to tell extra information about this formulation is it's free from synthetic preservatives and artificial fragrances. Now the third claim is the process claim, जिसमें पूरा का पूरा process describe करेंगे. जनरली जो फर्स्ट क्लेम में है उसका कोई कनेक्टिंग वर्ड, जैसे कि ये हर्बल मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम फॉर्मुलेशन है, वो वैसे कि वैसे उसके सेकंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लेम में आएगा, जस्ट टू प्रूव दैट इट इज जॉइंड बाय अ सिंगल इन्वेंटिव कॉन्सेप्ट. इट विल ऑलवेज स्टार्ट विद एन एक्शन, हीटिंग, कूलिंग, एडिंग, ग्रेजुअली ट्रांसफरिंग, हर एक एक्शन से चालू होगा. सर ने हमें बहुत अच्छी एनोलॉजी बताई थी पढ़ाते वक्त कि देयर इज दिस गाना नहीं है क्या, बॉम्बे से गई पूना, पूना से गई. सो वहाँ पे कैसे है कि पहला जो कंपोनेंट है वो सेकंड इसमें आना चाहिए, हीटिंग एंड मेकिंग अ शिया बटर टू फॉर्म अ यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर. अभी ये यूनिफॉर्म मिक्सचर यहाँ पे आना चाहिए, दैट कूलिंग ऑफ दैट मिक्सचर. इससे क्या बनेगा, उसके बाद एडिंग एलोवेरा टू दिस अगेन मिक्सचर, और उसके बाद एडिंग प्योरीफाइड वाटर टू दिस. सो देयर शुड बी अ कंसिस्टेंसी कि पूरा पहला के एक्शन का एंड प्रोडक्ट शुड बी द फर्स्ट एक्शन ऑफ द सेकेंड, कैस्केडिंगली होना चाहिए. एंड देन अगेन इस पे जो डिपेंडेंट क्लेम बनेगा दैट इज द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग, अगेन इसका चालू होगा द से, इट विल स्टार्ट विद द मेथड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग एज क्लेम्ड इन क्लेम 3, ये इस पे जाएगा, ये फर्स्ट पे नहीं जाएगा, दैट्स नॉट अलाउड, wherein the mixture is stirred continuously at each step to ensure the uniform texture and stability of the cream. ये सारा का सारा डिस्क्लोजर से ही उठाया है, ऐसे कुछ नहीं है कि अलग से कुछ लिया हुआ है. नाउ यही जो सारे क्लेम्स है पूरे के पूरे चारों के चारों मैंने कॉपी पेस्ट किए हैं समरी ऑफ द इन्वेंशन में, जस्ट वर्डिंग चेंज है. जो हमने बॉडी रखा था उसको हमने चेंज किया है, इन एन एम्बॉडीमेंट द प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन रिलेट्स टू, दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस आई हैव मेड इन समरी, बाकी सब वही है. अब जो सेकेंड डिपेंडेंट क्लेम था वी हैव पुट इट अंडर इन एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द एम्बॉडीमेंट. सेम इज फॉर दिस वन. ये जो सेकेंड इंडिपेंडेंट क्लेम था इट हैज गॉन इन अनदर एम्बॉडीमेंट, इन एन एम्बॉडीमेंट द प्रेजेंट इन्वेंशन रिलेट्स टू, और पूरा का पूरा उसका अगेन इट्स जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट, आई हैव जस्ट चेंज द फर्स्ट फ्यू लाइन्स, फर्स्ट फ्यू वर्ड्स एक्चुअली, एंड देन यहाँ पे आ गया इन एन एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द एम्बॉडीमेंट. क्या किया, पहले क्लेम्स बनाए, क्लेम्स को उठा के कॉपी पेस्ट किया समरी सेक्शन में, एंड जस्ट पहले फ्यू वर्ड्स चेंज किए इनटू द एम्बॉडीमेंट एंड इनटू एन एस्पेक्ट. डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन, इसमें सब कुछ देना है. डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन डेफिनेशंस देना है, अ एंड द क्यों यूज़ किया है, द का मीनिंग क्या है, ए का मीनिंग क्या है, कंप्राइजिंग का मीनिंग क्या है, सारे के सारे पहले डेफिनेशंस आएंगे, और फिर जो भी वॉट एवर यू हैव डन एवरीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू गिव इन टू अ डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन. बट रिमेंबर डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन इज नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनी बाउंड्री, मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि उस पर आप क्लेम कर रहे हो, but you are just disclosing everything in the detailed description. More you disclose in the detailed description better, because अगर कुछ कंट्रोलर ने amend करने को बोला, claims हटाने को बोले, तो it should be supported into the detailed description because you cannot change it later. You cannot change or add data to the detailed description later. तो पूरा का पूरा जो भी information था पूरा का पूरा detailed description में आ गया. No, you can keep it. Example से अगर in
So I ask ki, whatever we have written in a claim, if we want to take one claim away, then we need to remove details related to that claim from the description.
No. Because you firstly give everything in detailed description, right? So it's fine. You cannot actually delete anything, add or delete anything from the detailed description. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? Examples अगर कुछ in vitro analysis है, कुछ in vivo studies है, सब कुछ जो भी data है that will go under examples. Claims हो गया. Abstract. So usually what strategy we use is जो title होता है that should go first in the abstract. A herbal moisturizing cream formulation and method of preparation thereof will be the first. You have to first put a title in the abstract, also you have to give them the title, and then the present invention relates to, and copy paste the title as your first line. Second line will be whatever the components are there, and the third line will be you have also given the method of preparation of that formulation. You can also add the fourth line how that formulation is used. That should be good enough for a controller to understand what your invention is. Chair ka kare?
Is there any limit for abstract as well?
150 words, sir, only. Now I have found this chair ka invention. I would want you to draft its title, its abstract, everything. Title, first draft karenge, wo to ho gaya. If possible, draw the field of the invention. We'll do the field of the invention first, and then we'll go one by one. So field of the invention में क्या होता है? First you will write the present invention relates to general word, more specifically to you will describe that, and whatever there in that device apparatus, that parts you will write. This is to just to give you an easy way out. Anybody? Nobody is trying. लिखना है फील्ड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन चेयर को देख के क्या हो सकता है. क्लाइंट है, क्लाइंट ने इतना ही इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है, सिर्फ एक चेयर का भेजा है और बोला है कि अभी इसका पूरा का पूरा ड्राफ्ट भेजो. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, SI सब कुछ इसका फील्ड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन लिखना है अभी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, हमारे पास इतना ही आता है, एक लाइन में आता है. जानवी ने वही डिवाइस का कुछ तो एक लाइन दिया था ना सब तुम्हें, एक सिंगल लाइन पे पूरा का पूरा खींचना है ड्राफ्ट सब कुछ. सो आई वांट यू टू जस्ट ट्राई डूइंग इट. टाइटल तो मैम ने बोला था. मैम, वुड यू लाइक टू रिपीट द टाइटल सबके लिए? A seating apparatus with a storage compartment is the title. Now you have to draw field of the invention. General क्या होता है? You start with the present invention relates to, then a general word, comma, more specifically describe that word, device, whatever it is. Give the general names. In the second sentence, give the general part names of this device and the use case. Sample दिखा है? दिस इज, तो ये तो आंसर हो गया. सैंपल तो पहले भी दिखाया था.
अच्छा, पीछे वाला सैंपल.
हाँ, पीछे वाला सैंपल लगाओ क्या? दैट वुड बी बेटर ना. अभी चेयर को समझ में आया ना सबको? हाँ, दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया. ये पिछले वाले का फील्ड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन है, तो इसको रख के सामने इफ यू कैन मेक समथिंग. रुक रुक रुक, जान जान. You can raise your hand if you are done. I would like to hear. नहीं नहीं, चैट जीपीटी अलाउड नहीं है. नो चैट जीपीटी अलाउड.
वो चैट जीपीटी अलाउड.
बिकॉज आइडियली वी कैन नॉट यूज इट बिकॉज फिर वो डिस्क्लोज हो जाता है ना चैट जीपीटी पे. सो इफ वी ओनली डिस्क्लोज आवर क्लाइंट्स इन्वेंशन, देन इट्स व्हाट द यूज ऑफ इट. I'll give you a tip. यहाँ पे जो components लिखे formulation के, you can replace it with the component of that device that we are doing, chair. And this third line can be a use case for that. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Why not? Sorry, ma'am. Yes. Second statement can be the components of the device. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
The present invention relates to facilitating seating arrangement for one person with the storage capacity inbuilt made by using wood.
Sir, can you be more broad with this? A little bit broad. Just name the components of that device, what it is. There are components, right? There is a seating area, then there is legs attached to the base, force. Those are like the components of that chair. So yes, ma'am.
I'll add into this.
Okay,
Sitting area, we can mention here dimensions and right now?
No, ma'am, no dimensions.
No.
बहुत ब्रॉड रखना है मैम.
अच्छा,
कि
okay.
सब कुछ नहीं दे देना. इट्स जस्ट द फील ऑफ द इन्वेंशन. जैसे यहाँ पे किया है अ क्रीम फॉर्मुलेशन, It's mostly the moisturizing cream formulation.
Okay, so that means in short we can write
In
the
short.
sitting area and the 4 lakhs attached to
Yeah,
it. 4
basic,
lakhs.
बहुत basic देना है field of the invention. Yes,
And
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
back is quite comfortably designed
Yeah.
like that. Okay.
Yeah. Sorry, sir. Sir, I'm not able.
The present invention.
मला मुझे सुना ही नहीं दे.
The present invention relates to a chair, more specifically wooden furniture piece, used for seating with additional storage capacity under the seat with backrest and 4 legs.
Perfect. That's right. That's like to hear. Yes.
The material is teak wood utilized for this chair.
Sorry, sir.
Teak wood.
Teak wood. Huh? Why not? Yes, sir. Yes. That's right. Anybody else? Any students from the back?
Yes, ma'am, you should appear for patent agent
Yes, ma'am.
exam.
Please
It's
appear
high
for the
time
patent
now.
agent exam. You should definitely. Any students at the back? बेचारे ऐसे ही आए हैं. Okay. We'll skip the background क्योंकि इसका कुछ हमारे पास prior art अभी है नहीं. Then we'll
Ma'am, background ka I can give an idea
You can.
to them.
Okay.
Whenever you're writing a background ना, ऐसे सोचो कि आप story लिख रहे हो. This is what
Yeah.
we were taught always.
Yes.
अभी suppose chair का है, तो you can write in this way कि चेयर बैठने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लगता है, ऐसे ऐसे टाइप अलग अलग टाइप के चेयर्स अवेलेबल होते हैं मार्केट में, बट ये स्पेसिफिक चेयर का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या था. कोई चेयर है जिसमें स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी है, नहीं है, तो मे बी वी कैन इनकॉर्पोरेट दैट एज वेल इन आर इन्वेंशन. एक स्टोरी काइंड आपको बनाना है. अगर आपके पास कुछ ऐसा है कि कोई फॉर्मुलेशन का वगैरह बना रहे हो या फिर कोई नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स है, उसका आपको पेटेंट फाइल करना है, उसके बैकग्राउंड में हाउ वुड यू गो अबाउट. मे बी यू कैन टारगेट द डिजीज प्रॉब्लम. आप प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट बता सकते हो अपने बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन में, एंड देन फर्दर योर कंप्लीट स्पेसिफिकेशन, द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ योर कंप्लीट स्पेसिफिकेशन विल एक्ट एज अ सोल्यूशन स्टेटमेंट फॉर योर बैकग्राउंड प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. ऐसे इंटेंशन से आप लिख सकते हो बैकग्राउंड को. तो बैकग्राउंड में यू कैन बी एज क्रिएटिव एज यू वांट. इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर लेक्सिकोग्राफर कैपेसिटी. या यू
कि
आर
आप
योर ओन
कितना imagine
लेक्सिकोग्राफर.
कर पा रहे हो वो सब. Like you can actually write anything in the background, to be very honest. So what I have written for the field of the invention is the present invention relate to a seating device, more particularly to a seating apparatus that includes integrated storage compartment beneath the seat. That's the only information I am willing to give away at this point. अभी इसी का हम लोग लिखेंगे abstract. Claims करे पहले? Claims लिखते हैं इसके. Claims करते हैं. You just have to write one claim for it, but maybe 2 claims for this one. I'll just show you the herbal wale claims so that easy hoga.
Maybe one independent claim and one dependent
Dependent
claim.
Just to give you an hint, यहाँ पे formulation के components हैं, वहाँ पे device है तो definitely उसके parts होंगे. Chair के parts होंगे वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे components हैं. Yes, yes. It should start with a अगर independent claim है तो, और end with full stop. नहीं सुनाई दे रहा मेरे को. So mechanism, if you change, then yes, if you're making it a foldable chair, then it's completely different chair than this chair, right? I am just claiming here कि मेरा seating apparatus है. Even if you do, that's why I am not using the word chair in my. अच्छा fold करके रखना है. Fold करके, that's fine. I thought you were just saying कि इसको smaller बना दो. नहीं, yeah, then that's good. Yeah. Ma'am should give patent. Ma'am, this ma'am and sir should give patent agent exam.
She actually proved the obviousness point.
Yeah, ma'am, give exam. Then give your card, class का. Ma'am, फिर next year आप ही पढ़ा लोगे बस सबको. That's fine, ma'am. It's fine, ma'am. Okay, claims हो गए. और किसी को claims बताने हैं? Anybody else? Yeah, wow. जानवी
आपको कुछ बोलना था.
Yeah.
A sitting apparatus comprising a sitting portion, a backrest portion, a storage compartment where we can access the storage without disassembling the chair. The second claim, we can write it maybe as the sitting apparatus as in claim 1 where the storage compartment is located below the sitting portion and has a lift up lid.
The second part will go in the first, second dependent claim. It's correct, but the dependent claim will go in the independent claim. You have to explain the arrangements in the same claim itself. कि कहाँ पे क्या है वो, and the storage का part you can come नीचे आ सकते हैं. You were saying?
Good attempt, by
Yeah.
the way. But then I wanted to mention, guys, you're not supposed to use personal pronouns in the claims. आपका claim ऐसा होना चाहिए जैसे कि you are behind the camera and you're reporting it. तो no personal pronouns allowed actually in the claims. We, I वाले terms
नहीं use
जितना हो सके उतना try to use formal language.
Okay, so these were actually my claims. I'm not claiming a chair, I'm claiming a seating apparatus because अगर same इसमें किसी ने stool बना दिया, किसी ने table बना दिया, तो फिर it won't give me the full protection. So I'm claiming a seating apparatus, a seat, a base supporting the seat, 4 legs attached to the base, and a storage compartment located beneath the seat, accessible by the lifting the seat. Now, जैसे sir, just a minute, ma'am. जैसे sir ने किया था, I can simply maybe name the components here and put a where in the statement and then explain the arrangements as well, whatever is comfortable. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, isn't your D point very obvious? A storage compartment located beneath the seat, accessible by lifting the seat.
Yes.
So, अगर किसी को copy करना है, तो इधर
हाँ,
से copy हो
कर
सकता
सकते हैं
है.
ना.
But then you already have protection for it, right?
No, she's saying, हाँ, that's
नहीं,
what.
जैसे तुम लोगों ने बोला था कि be very ambiguous.
Not ambiguous, ma'am, broad.
Okay, be broad.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
No, no, it's
Be
fine.
very broad.
Yes.
तो ये तो बहुत ही narrow down नहीं हो रहा है. I'm just for my understanding. Please don't.
Ma'am, this is, for this particular example, the storage compartment below chair is kind of an inventive step of that chair. So I have to explain कि क्या है. ऐसे तो chair है, right? But मेरे इसमें क्या अलग है? According to my invention, that storage compartment which is below that chair is an inventive step for my invention. So you have to disclose it in relation to that. So that's why only the D part will not be taken into consideration. The entire claim, entire component with respect to each other will be my invention. तो सिर्फ कोई D part तो copy मतलब common है. It's relation to other parts as well, right? So that's where the inventive step is.
So, and suppose if I say seat acts as a flap,
हाँ.
so then I'm still being broad or I'm being specific?
Ma'am, it's fine. Act as a flap is also fine. It's just the way you write. I mean, if there is a chair and if I start drafting and Janvi start drafting, it will be completely different from each other. Here, nothing is right and wrong. It's just how you seek a broader protection and sticking to the manual provided by the IPO is important. You can write where and however you want. जैसे sir ने बोला, उनका भी correct ही है. जो मैं लिख रही हूँ वो भी correct ही है. There is no right and wrong here. Just yes, there are multiple options. Is the way how we write, ma'am.
We put it.
Yes, जैसे हमें स्कूल में ऐसे राइटिंग के लिए बोलते थे, सबका अलग अलग होता था. Even though the topics are same, it's just the same way, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am, I have not mentioned that here. Yeah, it can be added, yes. As I said, I'm just looking at a broader aspect. But good point, ma'am. Device है तो सारे aspect आने चाहिए. Like अगर कल मैं ये पढ़ रही हूँ तो मेरे सामने कुछ आना चाहिए similar looking like that chair. The second dependent claim would be the seating apparatus. It is starting with the, it's giving extra information about this seating apparatus as claimed in claim 1, wherein the, as claimed in claim 1 and wherein the आना ही चाहिए, that's like a rule. The compartment includes a hinge lead, जहाँ पे वो hinge था वो. And the third is again the seating apparatus as claimed in claim 1, wherein the storage compartment is lined with a moisture resistant material. कि और कुछ add है उसमें कुछ moisture. Again the fourth claim can be, you can actually describe which material is it. So अगर वो material के information दिया है, what you can write is the seating apparatus as claimed in claim 1, wherein the moisture the storage compartment is lined with the name of the exact material. जो भी दिया है, तो थर्ड से क्या होगा, सभी moisture resistant material cover हो जाएंगे, बाद में you are giving your specific one as well. So it's up to you कितना broad रखना है, कितना narrow रखना है, it's completely up to you. We try to seek protection as broad as possible so that we get the complete protection. Not कि सिर्फ उसी part का मिला तो कुछ importance है नहीं, right? इसी No ma'am, no, because it's the same ना, सिर्फ material ही तो change किया, ये obviousness में चला जाएगा. ये what controller will do अगर आप change करते हो तो he will pick this application, इसका जो data है वो और वो material से कोई chair बनती है क्या वो देखेगा और फिर वो बोलेगा कि A patent और B patent mix करके it's an obvious to ordinary skill in art जो भी है, he can do it. कि अगर मुझे पता है कि ऐसी chair है और मुझे ऐसे भी पता है कि ये material है जिससे moisture control होता है, I can mix both of them and I can make my invention. That's not allowed. इसी के साथ summary of the invention करें. It's very easy. I'll keep this. You just you just have to write the summary of the invention.
Storage compartment and is moisture resistant.
It's the perfect summary. Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, the perfect summary. Yes, really. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
My question was that last line in an aspect of the embodiment, the present, that you have written synthetic preservation and artificial fragrance. So in this case, can we add the material like
yes,
seating
ma'am.
apparatus made from teak wood members?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, summary में कुछ भी लिख दो. Claims में मत लिखो फिर क्योंकि protection सिर्फ उस चीज़ के लिए मिल जाएगा. बाकी डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिखना है डालना है तो रादर डालो कि आपका ये टीक से बना है या वुड से बना है, बिकॉज व्हेन अगर कंट्रोलर ऑब्जेक्ट्स देता है मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट करता है कि क्यों नहीं डाला तो फिर यू कैन से दैट ओके मेरे पास है डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, आई जस्ट पुट इट इन द क्लेम, ही कैन अलाउ दैट इफ इट्स देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन और इन द एग्जाम्पल्स कि किस चीज़ से बना है, ही विल अलाउ दैट फॉर यू. सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ बेटर आइडिया कि जो एक्चुअल में है वो सब डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दो, बट क्लेम्स है वो ब्रॉड एस्पेक्ट में ले लो सो दैट यू विल प्रोटेक्ट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल द एंगल्स.
Okay, thank you.
या एनीबडी एल्स? डन? जाए आगे? अरे ऑब्जेक्ट्स रह गए ना. ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ द इन्वेंशन. ओके, जो क्लेम्स है ना, क्लेम्स जो बने हैं दैट विल बी काइंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द इन्वेंशन. द मेन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हियर विल बी प्रोवाइडिंग अ सीटिंग apparatus. सेकेंड हो गए उसके कंपोनेंट्स, थर्ड होगा उसका यूज केस. वुड यू लाइक टू ट्राई? नाउ वी विल राइट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ द इन्वेंशन. ये इधर उधर हो गया बट आई एम सो सॉरी. That's how actually we start with the claims, then we do the summary, description, सब होके examples होके बाद में field और objects लिखते हैं, because it's just easy and less work.
So the main objectives of the invention. The main objective of the present invention is to provide comfortable sitting arrangement. Second objective is to provide a storage compartment and the chair with the storage compartment. The other objectives are to improve space efficiency and enhance user convenience.
Bang on, that's the correct objective. That explain what are your objectives are. फील्ड हो गया, बैकग्राउंड हो गया, ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया, समरी हो गया, डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन सिर्फ है. Whatever we'll do is detail description. Since we do not have any data available right now, just एक पिक्चर दिखाया था, हम लोग तो वो लिख लेते हैं कुछ. बट यहाँ पे जो भी आपने, you have to make sure कि जो भी claims में आया है, you have to copy, मतलब you have to put in description. How we usually do it to make sure that we are putting everything in description is we simply copy paste all the summary portion because it's already there in the claim. और फिर एक एक चीज़ को नीचे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि अगर बोला है कि रेजिस्टेंट मटेरियल है तो कौन से रेजिस्टेंट मटेरियल का मीनिंग क्या है, मटेरियल क्या होते हैं, उनके एग्जाम्पल्स क्या है, डेफिनेशंस क्या है, दैट यू प्रोवाइड एवरीथिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. नाउ इन द एंड after you write so the flow will be, first you will write that form 2 you will make, अभी जो अभी आपने लिखा you will make a form 2. After that you will write field of the invention, you will write background of the invention, then comes the objects of the invention, then after comes the summary of the invention, brief description of the drawing. You can just simply put figure 1 or फिर maybe perspective view of the chair करके. Then you will write detailed description of the invention. Then you will write examples if there are any. Biology में usually there are. And then you will write claims. Claims के बाद, claims should always start on new page. अगर all this information up until detailed description, it should be in continuation, but claim should always start on the new page, should end with a date and patent agent signature or inventor signature, applicant signature. जो भी apply कर रहा है उसका signature आएगा. And then in the end, it will be a new page. On new page there will be an abstract with a title and नीचे जो भी abstract है वो आएगा. Would you like to attempt an abstract for this chair? मैं एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ यहाँ पे. या ये पहले वाले का एग्जाम्पल है. एंड दैट्स इट. देन यू कैन गो टू पेटेंट ऑफिस एंड फाइल योर एप्लीकेशन. तेच फिरवायचं आहे मॅम. तेच आहे सगळं. तीच गोष्ट सांगे. मॅम काय लिहिणार एवढं? मेन तर क्लेम्स आहे. वेगवेगळ्या ह्याचा मॅम लिटरली जान्हवीला मागच्या 2 महिन्यापूर्वी एक लाईन लिहून पाठवली होती, तर त्याच्यावरती 25 पानी लिहिलं आहे ड्राफ्ट. किती फिरवणार? एक एक पॅराग्राफ येतो मॅम फक्त. येस मॅम. येस मॅम होतात मॅम, बट मोस्टली हां सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कंटेंट तर पाहिजे. काही लोकांचं असतं की फक्त ॲप्लिकेशन पब्लिश होण्याइतपत रिक्वायरमेंट असतं की माझं फक्त पब्लिश होऊ द्या, त्याच्यापुढे पेटंट ॲप्लिकेशन पब्लिश होऊ द्या. काही लोकांना त्या ग्रांटशी काही घेणं देणं नसतं. जस्ट टू शो दॅट आय हॅव अ पेटंट ॲप्लिकेशन ऑन माय नेम, पीपल डू इट. पण त्याचं पुढे काही होत नाही मॅम. आई वॉज सेइंग कि कैसे एक एक लाइन के भी दे वर सेइंग कि वैसे वही चल रहा है, लाइक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट भी वही है, फील्ड ऑफ द इन्वेंशन.
Madam, one question.
Yes, ma'am.
So this was about the object which is shown. We wrote claim about that. But suppose a chemical formula is there or some chemical composition we find out. So how to write the claims for that?
Ma'am, there is a Markush claim का मैंने structure बताया था ना. That you just
the structure only shown there.
You have to show the structure. A compound with a formula of, and you draw the exact compound का formula.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
And whatever proportions I have taken, suppose 2 different chemicals I have taken different proportions, add some, suppose nanoparticles I add into that. So how I'm going to write it?
Ma'am, I'm not from chemistry background. She might be able to explain that better.
Chemistry background, but then
general example you can see.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, maybe Markush claim ka, yeah. It's a normal claim, ma'am. जो केमिस्ट्री के इन्वेंशंस होते हैं उनको वी कॉल एज मार्कुश क्लेम. नाउ आई विल टेल यू हाउ एग्जैक्टली इट वर्क्स.
क्या मेरे को पता ही नहीं था. देख बता.
ओके, देयर इज अ पॉइंटर.
यस, ये ऊपर वाला.
Okay guys, a wonderful question from ma'am. Ma'am, may I know your name?
I'm Dr. Sangeeta Rana.
Okay, Dr. Sangeeta, yes. Ma'am का question ये है, what if there is an invention from chemistry background, we have a structure and ma'am wants to say that there is a process of making it wherein some concentrations are involved for the reagents. Am I right, ma'am? Okay. So in the first claim, आपका जो भी end product होगा ना, there is a reaction, right? A plus B equals to C. तो जो C part होता है ना, C part, that comes in your first claim. Okay? So a compound of the formula is the mandatory statement. You draw the structure. You draw the main structure. Marcus structure जो होता है, main structure draw करो. Maybe you can keep a space for one or two elements. मतलब थोड़ा broad claim करने के लिए what you can do is, you're aware, right? आपको एक particular, for example, आपका ये वाला जो है ना, ये particular element, ये change करके आप बहुत सारी अलग entities लगा सकते हो उधर, या फिर अलग formulas लगा सकते हो. So maybe you can keep this as broad. Marcus आपका same है, base compound same है, ये Q को आप broad रख रहे हो, जैसे कि in which Q can be. I'm sure, ma'am, you can create multiple products out of one reaction, right? So Q को आप broad रखते हुए, you're mentioning कि Q में क्या क्या हो सकता है. Suppose amine group होगा, hydroxyl group होगा या sulfur group होगा, वैसे आप mention कर रहे हो. And in the second claim there is a claim known as process claim. Process claim में क्या होता है ना, we mention the process with the ingredients and
वाला जो था.
Yes, and the quantities. जैसे कि a process of formulating this particular compound comprises, और आप steps mention कर सकते हो 1, 2, 3, 4. जैसे mixing A and B to obtain C. Mixing A and B in this particular concentration to obtain C. तो ऐसे you can have multiple claims for chemistry invention. I hope I'm clear. Thank you.
First line तो title ही है. The present invention relates to and your title. ठीक है? The formulation comprise की जगह the seating apparatus comprises सब device के parts है. Third, you can put the use of this is to use it in the compact space. That's it. And then you can give it to us and then we'll file it for you. Okay, that's it. I'm through with my sessions. If anybody has any questions, I'm open to take it. Ma'am, I'm in the searching analytics field for 4 years. Drafting, I'm here for like roughly for 6 months. She's been in this field for?
I'm into core drafting and prosecution for like 15 months now. You can say a little more than a year. So this year we both qualified patent agent exam from 2025 batch. Thank you.
If anybody is interested in patent agent examination, you have to be a science graduate. Any stream, it's fine. No age limit, nothing. You just need to fill a form. Abhi nikal chuke hai. It's till 21st of August. And then there are like 2 streams to it. One is Design Act and Patent Act. Isme Design Act rules and manual. Patent Act, patent rules and patent manual. It's a good field to be in. I'm specifically telling it for all the girls in the back. It's really great field to be in for girls. Acha field hai, safe field hai, bio या फिर core science. Even if you're for core science, you can actually do a corporate well-paying job. Like we are telling it from our own experiences. Do check out the IPO का website. वहाँ पे आता रहता है बहुत कुछ. And
if anybody wants to know more about patent agent exam, they can get connected with me. I have my card, so you are all welcome to get the cards. Yeah.
Sir Vijay Shivpuje, he actually mentors for the patent agent examination. We both are his students actually. We both were under his training for the patent agent examination. So if you would like to know, just a friendly chat, do let us know. Yes, ma'am.
So in patent, for patenting the product which you, the chair.
Yes.
So we have to follow all this procedure. But the design of chair, to register design only, so we have to just click the pictures in 3D form and just upload it. No, that is no?
Yes,
in the representation sheet format, ma'am. As in there are representation sheet, एक छोटा सा format होता है जहाँ पे आपको design का class mention करना होता है, कौन author है वो लिखना होता है. you have to paste your picture, नीचे signatures लगते हैं, right
Yes,
ma'am, and you
yes.
have to file it, that's it, with a form. Yes, everything is online.
The chair has design as well as function.
Yes, yes, you
We
can.
have to file it separately.
Yes,
Design
ma'am.
के लिए separately करो और function
Rather,
के लिए
ma'am, the
separately.
great IP approach is to file both, because then you can get the overall IP right. Yes, ma'am. Not, ma'am, design registration. It's not. It's different from the copyright. Okay. Yeah. So,
Shall I summarize as in क्या है between the difference? Because we are getting a few questions
Yes.
regarding patent, industrial design and copyright. एक simple analogy से समझते हैं चेयर के ही example से. ये चेयर का डिज़ाइन काफ़ी यूनिक है, राइट? आपने ऐसा देखा नहीं, यहाँ पर भी मैंने तो नहीं देखा कि स्टोरेज कंपार्टमेंट वगैरह है. सो जस्ट वो दिख कैसे रहा है, उसका एस्थेटिक कैसा है, इसके बेसिस पे यू कैन फाइल फॉर डिज़ाइन. और डिज़ाइन जनरली या डिज़ाइन रजिस्टर होता है. और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में ना देर इज़ अ कन्फ्यूजन वेर इन व्हेन आई गेट टू इंटरैक्ट विद टीचर्स या प्रोफेसर्स, they come and tell me that मैम इसका ना हमको डिज़ाइन पेटेंट कराना है करके. That's a wrong term to use. Ideally you have to use the term as industrial design, and industrial design को register कराना होता है, grant नहीं होता. Even this is a major difference. Whenever you speak to your students or future clients, you can just mention this to them. So industrial design is only based on the looks. नाउ ये सीट का कुछ फंक्शन है, जैसे मैम अर्लियर मेंशन्ड कि हम उसको डिजिटल बना देते हैं, सॉफ्टवेयर से इंटीग्रेट कर देते हैं. सो इट्स लाइक अ नॉवल फंक्शन, राइट? कुछ तो फंक्शन हो रहा है. मैं एक क्लिक कर रही हूँ और वो सीट ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, या फिर वो स्टोरेज का लिड ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. तो ऑल दैट इज अ फंक्शन, राइट, विच इज अगेन नॉवल. तो वो जाता है आपके पेटेंट में. पेटेंट्स ग्रांट होते हैं या रिफ्यूज होते हैं. नाउ कमिंग टू द कॉपीराइट पार्ट. मॉर्निंग में मुझे एक ऐसे कमेंट आया वहाँ से कि आप सर को कमेंट आया आपकी स्टूडेंट बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रांडिंग करती है हर चीज़ों का. सो वो जो ब्रांडिंग, अभी सपोज ये चेयर मुझे आपको बेचना है, मुझे एक ऐड बनाना है, राइट? तो वो ऐड के लिए एक स्क्रिप्ट लगेगी. वो जो स्क्रिप्ट मैं चेयर को डिस्क्राइब करते हुए लिखूंगी या बोलूंगी, दैट कम्स अंडर कॉपीराइट. दैट्स द मेजर डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज थ्री. नाउ कमिंग टू ट्रेडमार्क, अगर सपोज धनश्री मैडम ने अपना चेयर को नाम दे दिया धनश्री चेयर्स, सो वो हो जाएगा ट्रेडमार्क, वो जाएगा ट्रेडमार्क में. दैट्स इट मैम, इतने ही डिफरेंस है बस.
if I may add,
yes, yes,
ma'am.
absolutely.
Ma'am, rather that's the best approach कि आपको हर जगह से प्रोटेक्शन मिल रहा है. Yes, ma'am. नहीं ma'am, nothing. Ma'am, that I would like to explain that.
Yes.
Better. So, ma'am, the major difference between a design registration का filing procedure और patent का filing procedure is that patent do gets published before they are granted. Design they directly get published after they are registered. तो वो जो 2-3 और usually designs जल्दी हो जाते हैं, जल्दी आ जाता है. So अगर if I have filed design first और बाद में मैंने 6 महीने बाद अगर मेरा सेम इस चीज के लिए पेटेंट फाइल किया और तब तक अगर मेरा डिजाइन पब्लिश हुआ है, तो देन आई कैन नॉट फाइल फॉर पेटेंट. सो यूजुअली द बेटर अप्रोच इज यू डू द पेटेंट फर्स्ट बिकॉज 18 मंथ्स तक तो वो बाहर आएगा नहीं, एंड देन यू कैन गो फॉर द डिजाइन रजिस्ट्रेशन बिकॉज वो 3-4 महीने में हो जाएगा. No ma'am, you file the patent and immediately ma'am design takes hardly some time to file. So patent file कर दो, design registration के लिए 1 महीने में डाल दो, तो फिर ये भी बाहर नहीं आएगा, वो भी नहीं. No ma'am, because ma'am as sir said, examiners are also looking at the same data that we are looking at. So they will also not know. ये हमें पता है कि हमने दोनों किया है, उन्हें नहीं पता है ये. No ma'am, how can they?
नहीं मैम, फाइलिंग डेट का गेम है. एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट द डेट का गेम. मतलब अभी ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, आज आप पेटेंट फाइल कर रहे हो, कल ही डिजाइन फाइल कर दो, चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा. बट मेक श्योर इफ यू वांट बोथ ऑफ द इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी फॉर वन प्रोडक्ट, go for patent first. This is what we advise our clients.
And ma'am, also patent gives you a better protection than a design. So it's a better approach कि design की वजह से patent ना चला जाए. And I would like to add जो same example था, मैम जो ये सॉफ्टवेयर बनाएंगे वो सेम चेयर के लिए, वो सॉफ्टवेयर का जो कोड होगा that will go under the copyright. She can take the copyright for that code, patent for that software and hardware ka arrangement, trademark for the name, and patent design for the overall aesthetic look of that chair.
ट्रेडमार्क करा लो, अपने आप ब्रांडिंग हो जाती है. सर अभी जैसे कि द अदर डे आई वाज हैविंग अ वर्ड विथ विजय सर एंड ही हर्ड मी सेइंग दिस अ लॉट. बाय द वे, इफ यू गाइस connect with us on LinkedIn, very soon we will be publishing some videos with respect to design class. So वहाँ पे ना you will get to hear a tagline very frequently.
And that's branding.
हाँ, that's branding. तो sir was telling me let's file a trademark for your line. ट्रेडमार्क फाइल कर देते हैं कंपनी के नाम पे, एंड बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी कैची लाइन, तो कोई और यूज ना करे. सो इट्स बेसिकली जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज दैट एज अ ट्रेडमार्क टैगलाइन फॉर आवर वीडियोस. सो अगर आपके पास आपके प्रोडक्ट की पहचान है ना, तो अपने आप आपकी ब्रांडिंग हो ही जाती है. दैट्स व्हाट एज अ बिजनेस वुमेन आई थिंक ऑफ.
Sir, and also even if you are using some name, जैसे कि अभी सर Patlex use कर चुके, he has been using Patlex Business Solutions. He has been using it for like last 7-8 years, so he did not do it, did not file for a trademark for that name. क्योंकि वो already use कर रहे हैं, it means उनके पास उसका right है. क्योंकि जब trademark के लिए वो लोग search करें, अभी we both are not very through with the trademark का searching and filing, but फिर if somebody is already using it from so many years, you cannot come today and claim that name as your own name. जो same case नहीं हुआ था पुणे के Burger King और US Burger King का, it was similar.
In fact, to add on to this, tomorrow we'll have an advocate coming here and speaking. She files trademark. She's involved in trademark design and filing. So anybody, whoever has doubts with respect to trademark or copyright, you guys can get connected with her. She's the best person to talk to. Hasti will be coming tomorrow. Any other questions?
No? I hope we answered. Yeah. Thank you.